Dropshipping remains one of the most accessible and profitable online business models, offering low startup costs and the potential for high returns. In 2025, evolving trends, new tools, and innovative strategies make starting a dropshipping store more lucrative than ever. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where you don't keep inventory. Instead, you partner with suppliers who ship products directly to customers. Selecting the right niche is crucial to standing out in the competitive dropshipping market. Research trending products using tools like Google Trends or eComHunt to find high-demand products. Your suppliers determine product quality and delivery times, directly affecting customer satisfaction. Consider platforms like AliExpress or CJ Dropshipping for dependable suppliers. Your store is the face of your business. Ensure it looks professional and is optimized for conversions. Use Shopify or WooCommerce for ease of setup and dropshipping integrations. Marketing drives traffic to your store and converts visitors into paying customers. Run targeted ads on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok to reach your audience. Automation saves time and allows you to focus on scaling your business. Use tools like Oberlo or Deesers to automate product sourcing and order processing. Exceptional customer service sets your store apart and drives repeat business. Track your store's performance to identify areas for improvement. Once your store generates consistent sales, focus on scaling. By selecting a niche, partnering with reliable suppliers, building a professional store, and mastering marketing, you can set yourself up for success.